In this video, I will show you two different methods on how to copy and paste in Bash. So let's get started. In the first method, I will show you how to copy and paste using keyboard shortcuts within a Bash script. So let's see how it works. For this example, I will create a script named cp.sh. For this, I will use the nano command. The nano text editor pops up, so I will edit my script over here. As usual, I will start with the shebang line. In the first line, I will take a user prompt which will be please enter your name. It will ask the user to enter his or her name. So here I will use the read command with the P option, and the prompt will be please enter your, and it will be stored in the name variable. Now I'll print a hello message to the user like hello, then the name of the user. To access the name within a string, I will use the $. And after that, I'll write this is a Bash script. Now suppose I want to define another variable current date to print the current date of today. So I'll define current_date. And this will be set to a command substitution of the date command with specific format specifiers. So I'll use the $sign and parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I'll write the date command plus the specific format specifier inside string. Suppose here I want to mention the date in year, month and day format. So I'll use %y, %n, and %e. This will print today's date in this form. Now suppose I want to use this variable to print statement in the terminal. So I have to copy this variable. To copy this using keyboard shortcut, you can use your arrow keys to go to the front of the variable. Then press Ctrl, then 6. Remember to press 6 from the main keyboard, not from the number board. Now hold Shift and Ctrl together and select the variable with the last. Now to copy this to the clipboard, press Alt 6. It has been copied to the clipboard. Now in the next line, I will write a print statement which will print today's date. Echo inside the string, write current date. Over here, I will use the $sign to access the variable. Now I want to paste this variable current date. So I'll use Ctrl U. It has been pasted. Now my script is complete. So I'll save and exit. Now it's time to execute the script. So I'll use the bash interpreter to execute the script. So I'll write bash cp.sh. It asks me to enter my name, so I'll enter Fahmid. And there is the output, as expected. In method 2, I will show you the same copy and paste technique, but using the mouse keys. So let's see how it works. I will open the script again. Now I'll be removing this just to show you the technique. Now suppose I have written the script up to this part. Now I want to copy this variable or any variable. I'll use the mouse and select this by pressing the left mouse key, holding the left mouse key and selecting the variable. Now I'll press the right mouse key once, and it will lead me to a navigation tab where there is a paste copy option. So I'll copy this variable. Now it has been copied to the clipboard. Now I'll write the statement, example current date, and I will write $sign. Then over here I will press the right mouse key. There is a paste option, so I'll press it, and the variable has been pasted. So this was all for this video. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Also, the script files will be provided in the description to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.